Today, we're going to draw some awesome animals that you might have seen or heard about. Let's get started. Let's begin by drawing a cow. This animal is known for producing milk and has its signature black and white spots. Start with the first lines, then add the facial details. Now, it's time to color. Don't forget to add some shading to make it look more realistic. Next, let's draw a bull. This powerful animal is famous for its strong body and sharp horns. Start with the outline of its body, add the big horns, and don't forget its fierce expression. Now, let's add some color. Dark brown or black will make it look even more impressive. Now, let's draw a camel. This desert animal has a hump on its back that stores fat reserves. Draw its tall body, add the hump, and don't forget its long legs. Now, it's time to color. A golden brown shade will make it look more realistic. Finally, let's draw a fluffy and adorable sheep. Its body looks like a soft, fluffy cloud. Add its cute face and small ears. Now, it's time to color. Use white with a touch of grey shading to make its wool look more textured. Awesome, right? We've drawn some amazing animals today. Keep practicing to improve your skills. See you in the next drawing video.